Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone health app not tracking steps? Health app is an important feature of your iPhone and it tracks your step during morning walk and any other times. So if your iPhone health app not tracking your steps, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is launch your health app in your iPhone and you can see your steps is not tracking. So is to fix this issue, the first workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and go to privacy and security. And here go to motion and fitness settings. Tap on it and make sure that fitness tracking is duly enabled on your iPhone and health feature is also enabled on your iPhone. After that, the second workaround to fix this issue is if your problem is not resolved, then go to next workaround and the next one is launch health app in your iPhone and scroll down and look for is it tracking your steps or not, and click on show all health data and here you will see your steps counting. And if you will not find here the steps counting, then go back and again go to settings page of your iPhone. Tap on settings and here scroll down and go to battery and disable low power mode. Sometimes battery may be a issue of iPhone health app not tracking your steps, so disable low power mode on your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to settings again and here scroll down and tap on privacy and security again and here go to location services and make sure that location services is duly enabled, and also under allowed apps go to system services and make sure that here motion calibration and distance is duly toggle button is turned on. If you found it off, then on it. Otherwise, if you found it already on, then disable it and again after wait for some times and again re-enable motion calibration and distance settings. After that, check your problem resolved or not. Go to settings again, tap on general and here scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset again and reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode and Face ID and reset all settings. Tap on again and check whether your iPhone health app tracking your steps or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on settings again, tap on general and tap on software update. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of health app not tracking your steps. So you must download and install latest iOS update.